Before you zip up that suitcase for your cruise, stop, because forgetting even one of these 15 essential items could cost you your comfort, your health, or your entire vacation. I've seen it happen: seniors missing meds, getting stuck in port without ID, or even slipping in a dark cabin, all because of packing mistakes they didn't know they were making. That's why today, I'm revealing the 15 most critical things every senior cruiser must bring, not just to enjoy the trip, but to stay safe, stress-free, and prepared for anything the ocean throws at you. Some of these might seem obvious, others will surprise you. But trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be packing smarter than 90% of passengers on your ship. Let's get started. Essential number 1, all prescription medications in your carry-on. This is the most critical item, number 1, for a reason. Every single prescription medication you take must go in your carry-on bag. Why? Because checked luggage can be delayed, lost, or misplaced, and you absolutely cannot afford to be without your vital meds. Bring enough for your entire cruise, plus a few extra days' supply in case of unexpected travel delays. Always keep them in their original pharmacy containers to avoid any issues with customs or security, especially when entering a foreign port. I once met a lovely senior couple whose checked bag with essential heart medication was delayed for 2 days. They spent precious vacation hours in a foreign port frantically trying to find a doctor and pharmacy. It was a completely avoidable stressor that cast a shadow over their start to the trip. Essential number 2, a detailed medication list and doctor contacts. Complementing your actual medications, you need a backup plan. Carry a printed, comprehensive list of all your medications. Include generic and brand names, dosages, and how often you take them. Don't forget any allergies and your prescribing doctor's contact information. This is invaluable in a medical emergency on board or in port, allowing ship's medical staff or foreign doctors to quickly understand your needs. Keep a copy on your phone too, but always have a physical one, perhaps laminated, in your wallet. A friend of mine had to visit the ship's medical center due to an unexpected ear infection. Having her full medication list and doctor's contact info immediately on hand saved so much time and ensured she received the correct prescription without delay. Essential number 3, personalized over-the-counter essentials kit. Think of this as your mini pharmacy. While the ship's store has basics, they're often expensive and selection might be limited. Pack your preferred pain relievers, antacids, anti-diarrhea medication. Imodium is a cruise saver, allergy pills, and any specific remedies you commonly use. Don't forget motion sickness remedies like Bonini or Dramamine, or even Sea-Bands. This small kit saves you time, money, and discomfort. My husband once woke up with a bad headache on a sea day, and the ship's store was closed. Luckily, I had packed our preferred pain reliever, and he was able to enjoy the day without a hitch. It's those little comforts that make a big difference. Essential number 4, 2 pairs of comfortable, non-slip walking shoes. Your feet are your best friends on a cruise. You'll be doing more walking than you might expect, navigating vast ship decks, exploring charming port towns with cobblestone streets, or participating in excursions. Bring at least 2 pairs of well-broken-in, comfortable walking shoes with excellent arch support and, critically, non-slip soles. 1 pair for general use and another as a backup or for different conditions. Brand new shoes are a recipe for blisters and discomfort. Good traction is paramount for preventing falls on wet decks or uneven surfaces. I once witnessed a senior slip on a wet Lido deck because they were wearing flimsy sandals. A proper pair of non-slip walking shoes could have easily prevented that scary moment. Invest in your feet. Essential number 5, your familiar walking aid. If you rely on a cane, rollator, walker, or even a collapsible scooter in your daily life, it absolutely comes with you. Don't try to manage without it. Familiarity is key. Never bring a new device you haven't thoroughly practiced with. Modern cruise ships are very accommodating with wide hallways and accessible elevators. Planning ahead ensures smooth transitions on and off gangways, tender boats, and in busy areas. A senior cruiser recently shared how grateful she was for her foldable cane when navigating the narrow, bustling streets of a Mediterranean port. It gave her stability and confidence that a slower pace alone couldn't provide. Essential number 6, a small, lightweight, secure day bag, or crossbody purse. For shore excursions, you need a bag that prioritizes security and ease of carry. A lightweight backpack or a crossbody bag that rests comfortably across your body is ideal. This keeps your hands free for sightseeing or holding onto railings, and your valuables are kept close and secure, making you less vulnerable to pickpockets in crowded tourist spots. Avoid heavy shoulder bags that can strain your neck or back over long periods. I've heard too many stories of seniors having wallets or phones snatched from open tote bags in busy markets. A crossbody bag kept close to your front offers much better security and peace of mind. Essential number 7. Versatile layers of clothing. Cruise ship temperatures can vary wildly from one area to another. Chilly air-conditioned dining rooms, breezy outer decks, or changing climates in port. Packing layers like cardigans, a light sweater, or a shawl/pashmina is essential. A lightweight, packable rain jacket or compact umbrella is also a smart idea for unexpected showers. You want to be comfortable whether you're inside or out, day or night. My friend's mother always packs a pashmina. It serves as a warm wrap in a cool dining room, a sun shield on deck, and even a modesty cover when visiting certain religious sites in port. It's the ultimate versatile layer. Essential number 8. Robust travel insurance documents and emergency contacts. This is your safety net, especially for American seniors. We always hope for the best, but prepare for the unexpected. Have physical and digital copies of your travel insurance policy, especially detailing your medical evacuation coverage. U.S. Medicare typically doesn't cover international medical emergencies, so robust travel insurance is absolutely essential. Include a list of emergency contacts both on the ship and back home, and share a copy with a trusted travel companion or family member not traveling with you. I've seen the immense relief on a senior's face when their travel insurance immediately kicked in after an unexpected fall in a foreign port, arranging for quality medical care and even transport back to the ship, which would have cost tens of thousands out of pocket without it. Essential number 9. Comprehensive sun protection. The sun, especially reflecting off the ocean or bright beaches, can be incredibly intense. Protecting your skin and eyes is vital. Pack plenty of high SPF, reef-safe sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat that offers good face and neck coverage, and good quality sunglasses. Consider bringing an extra pair. Even on cloudy days, harmful UV rays are powerful. A severe sunburn can quickly and painfully sideline your vacation. I once underestimated the Caribbean sun and got a terrible sunburn on my first sea day, despite thinking I was fine. It made sitting by the pool uncomfortable for the rest of the cruise. Don't let that happen to you. Essential number 10. Personal hand sanitizer and disinfectant wipes. While cruise lines have excellent cleaning protocols, bringing your own alcohol-based hand sanitizer and disinfectant wipes gives you an extra layer of personal protection. Use them before and after meals at the buffet, after touching elevator buttons or handrails, and especially when using public restrooms in port. A quick wipe down of your cabin's TV remote or door handles upon arrival can also be a smart move to boost your hygiene confidence. During cold and flu season, I've seen many fellow cruisers actively using hand sanitizer throughout the ship. It's a simple habit that significantly reduces your risk of catching those unwelcome bugs that can spoil a trip. Essential number 11. Compression socks. This is an often overlooked essential that has real medical importance for seniors. Compression socks are crucial, especially for long flights to your departure port or during extended periods of sitting on the ship. Seniors are particularly vulnerable to blood clots, like deep vein thrombosis or DVT, and uncomfortable swelling in their legs and ankles. Compression socks promote healthy circulation, significantly reduce leg fatigue, and lower the risk of DVT. They are a small item that offers significant health benefits. A senior traveler I know was worried about leg swelling and discomfort on their transatlantic flight before their cruise. They wore compression socks and told me their legs felt remarkably better upon arrival, completely free of the usual aches and puffiness. It made their embarkation day much more enjoyable. Essential number 12. Small night light or clip-on reading light. Cruise cabins, especially inside cabins, can become incredibly dark at night, making those late-night trips to the bathroom a potential tripping hazard. A small, plug-in LED night light can make a huge difference, illuminating the path safely. A clip-on reading light is also a thoughtful addition for quiet reading in bed without disturbing your cabin mate. My friend shared how a simple night light prevented several stubbed toes and near falls during midnight restroom breaks in their pitch-black cabin. It's a small item, but a huge impact on safety and comfort. Essential number 13, refillable water bottle. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial, particularly in warmer climates or when you're active exploring ports. Most ships have water stations, usually in the buffet or gym areas. And bringing your own reusable water bottle is not only environmentally friendly, but also incredibly convenient. Fill it up before you head out on excursions to avoid buying overpriced bottled water. I found myself desperately thirsty on a hot shore excursion, and the only water available was a tiny, expensive bottle from a street vendor. Now, I always fill my reusable bottle on the ship before I disembark, saving money and staying hydrated effortlessly. Essential number 14, magnetic cabin hooks. Here's a brilliant hack most people don't realize. Magnetic cabin hooks. Cruise cabin walls are typically metal, and these powerful little hooks let you instantly create extra hanging space. You can use them to hang hats, lanyards, light jackets, wet swimsuits, or even your daily planner. This is fantastic for organization in small cabins, especially for seniors who want easy access to items without bending down to search drawers or digging through luggage. They are surprisingly strong and leave no marks. I used to have my hat and light jacket draped over chairs, cluttering the small cabin. Once I discovered magnetic hooks, I could neatly hang everything on the wall, keeping the cabin tidy and all my essentials easily within reach. It's a game changer for cabin organization. Essential number 15, photocopies and digital copies of all important documents. Beyond your medication list, always create both physical photocopies and digital images of all critical documents. Your passport's main page, any necessary visa pages, driver's license, health insurance cards, and travel insurance details. Keep these copies separate from the originals, e.g., originals in the cabin safe, copies in a day bag. Store digital copies securely in a cloud service you can access from anywhere. This is your lifeline if originals are lost or stolen, making replacement much easier. I've heard stories where a lost passport caused immense stress and delays for cruisers. Having those photocopies and digital images saved hours of hassle at the embassy, significantly speeding up the replacement process. There you have it, 15 essential things seniors must bring on a cruise to ensure a comfortable, safe, and truly enjoyable voyage. Packing smart is truly the first step to a stress-free vacation. By taking the time to gather these crucial items, you're not just filling a suitcase. You're investing in your peace of mind and maximizing every moment of your well-deserved adventure on the high seas. Ready to pack for your best cruise yet? Hit like if this comprehensive checklist is helpful, and subscribe to Cruise Pro for more honest advice and essential tips designed specifically for senior cruisers. What's one unexpected item you always bring that makes a huge difference on your cruises? Share your wisdom in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy cruising.